As a matter of fact, before the holidays and during the last press briefing, I stated that the firefighters would officially be able to move back into their station. In the meantime, both them as well as the ambulance workers have moved back into the fire and ambulance building, which has been newly renovated, namely the sleeping quarters, the kitchen, recreation areas, and of course, the major challenges that had been noted with great concern regarding mold remediation, improving the airflow, cleaning to ensure the safety and health of both the firefighters and ambulance workers have been addressed and were all resolved, which allowed the officers to return. So for that, we are extremely grateful. They did so on December 21st, just before Christmas. I did do some walkthroughs then, but now that they are back in the building, I went this morning to make sure, before making any public statements, of the status of the building, and were met with good reviews. There are some small improvements that still need to be made, but that can be made while they're in the building. But I must say I'm very pleased with the progress that has been booked, thanks to the collaboration with not just what was ongoing with the trust fund, but also with building owner SOG and the Facilities Department of General Affairs, which is responsible for the small maintenance. I am happy with the improved communication and hope that this will continue so that proper maintenance of the building, its systems, and the cleaning, which are scheduled, will continue to take place to avoid any reoccurrence of the serious challenges that was experienced by our hardworking first responders. We can now focus, of course, on other more structural improvements that need to be made, not just within the building and other areas where they work, but also with their, like the Justice Ministry is doing with their expositie, etc. So those are also on the top of the priority list. I was also able to see the new ambulances that have been delivered via the trust fund, 4 new ambulances, and so congratulations. They are very excited, and congratulations to the health sector in general to continue to improve on their inventory. Though we went through a lot of hard work and time to be able to secure the needed fire engines, the fire trucks, and the ambulances, and the finalization of the building itself that was post-Hurricane Irma is still to be finalized, hopefully within this month. This is now a little later than expected. We'd expected to finalize that in December, which is the roof and some other areas which have to be fact-checked to make sure everything has been covered. We'll be able to update on that as well.